Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Moroccanoil Smoothing Lotion. This is a wonderful product to help manage frizzy hair. It is intended to be used on damp hair after you've washed it, and then you will just put a little bit in. You really don't need much. So this is the 2.5 fluid ounce, and I've had this and used it for quite some time, and I still feel like I have a ton of product left because you just don't need very much. But you can put it on your mid-length to your ends, and it just helps keep that frizz under control while you're blow drying your hair using heat on it. It doesn't say this, but I also use it in a different way. So when my hair is dry, typically it's after washing it, my hair is completely dry, or the next day after washing it, I will have little hairs on the very top of my head just kind of stand up. And it's been going on for the past year or two, just kind of out of nowhere. And this really helps to tame those. So I will just take the tiniest little bit. So I'll show you the formula. That's what the formula looks like, but you really don't need much. And I will just kind of very carefully lay that onto my hair that's sticking up on the top of my head and just pat it down, and it stays down without looking like I've put something in my hair, which is great because I feel like some other products that I have tried, it did work with managing the frizz and holding it down, but it made my hair look wet or kind of dry and crunchy, but this does not do that. So, you know, it is a multi-use product. You can use it after you wash your hair just to reduce the frizz while you're drying it, or you can also use it how I use it, just to kind of tame those flyaways and frizz on my hair when it's dry. But it does have that same Moroccanoil scent that is so lovely and wonderful like their other products do. But this is a really great product to have if you have frizzy hair.